Today in our 2015 Jeep Wrangler, we'll be having a look at and installing the Roadmaster battery charge line kit for towed vehicles, part number RM-156-25. All right, here's what our charge line kit looks like installed. This kit will allow our motorhome to charge our battery in our vehicle when it's being flat towed behind it. This way, we don't have to worry about having a dead battery in our Jeep when we arrive at our destination when we're RVing. Now, the reason you want this particular kit is if you have a portable braking system inside your vehicle when it's flat towed to supply the brakes in it, and it uses the vehicle's battery to supply power to it versus the motorhome, your battery will be run down when it's in tow mode behind your RV. This will prevent that from happening, and you'll have a fully charged battery when you arrive at your destination, so when you unhook, you can easily start it and go explore around where you're at. It's a simple 2-wire installation with just one circuit breaker that you need to install. And now that we've gone over some features of our Roadmaster charge line kit, we'll show you how to get it installed. All right, to begin our installation, we have a previously installed 6-pole round on the front of our vehicle. We'll remove this to gain access to the terminals on the back of it. Okay, remove some of our electrical tape that we had covering our 6-pole to protect it. Now I'll remove this Phillips screw here. Open up our connector, and we'll push our terminal on through. We'll be using this middle connector right here, so we'll loosen up that set screw. Now with our red wire that comes with our kit, we'll strip back some insulation from it, come through the back side of our connector, and we'll insert it into the middle hole. We'll tighten down that set screw. With our connection made, we'll now reinstall the terminals back inside the socket. Now we'll reinstall the set screw. Now we'll feed our red wire through the same hole that our 4-pole flat wiring went through. And we'll retape everything back up with some electrical tape. And this will just help conceal our wire a little bit better, and also protect our socket from the elements. Help reduce any moisture or dirt or debris that can get inside, cause corrosion or a short. Okay, with that wrapped nice and tight, and I'll slide it back into its original spot. Okay, we went ahead and dropped down a pull wire from our engine compartment and taped our charge line to it. This is our pull wire. Now we'll pull it up. And there's our wire. Okay, now we need to find a place to mount our breaker. I'm just gonna put it right here near our firewall on our passenger side, near our battery. And we'll secure it in place with the provided 5/16 self-tapping screws. Okay, we got one started. The other one to start now. Both started, make sure they're both tightened down fully. Okay, now we'll measure off how much we're going to need to connect to our breaker. Cut off the excess. And we'll strip back the insulation from all of our ends of wire now. On the end that goes to the front, place on a small ring terminal, and we'll crimp it down. We'll attach that to the side of our breaker that's gold, and it's marked BAT for battery. On our leftover piece of wire, place a small ring terminal on one end, and we'll crimp it down. On the other end of our short wire, we'll attach a large ring terminal and crimp that down. A small ring terminal will go to the silver side, or the side marked auxiliary on the breaker. And we'll tighten both these nuts up now. All right, now our large ring terminal, we're just going to connect to the positive side of our battery. So I'll just remove this 10mm nut here. Okay, with the nut removed, we'll just drop on the ring terminal. and resecure the nut. And that completes our look at and installation of the Roadmaster battery charge line kit for towed vehicles, part number RM-156-25 on our 2015 Jeep.
Click the link below to shop, learn more, or visit us at etrailer.com.